I just screwed on the VVT actuator. I did not tighten that bolt, okay? Pay attention to these steps. You must do it in this order, or your valve timing could be off by up to 5 degrees, okay? So if you look at the VVT actuator, there is a notch. See it right there at the yellow? I got a yellow dot on it. That must be at 12 o'clock. Right now, the whole thing is loose. Must be at 12 o'clock position. Same with the cam timing. Must be at 12. Right now, the intake camshaft is fixed. I already adjusted it the last time I rebuilt this engine. Okay, so I'm not going to change that. But this one, I have to pay attention to how the chain goes on. And just remember, both camshafts right now are fixed by this plate. They're not going anywhere by that plate. See it? Okay, next up, I'm going to install the chain. I'm going to come back and install the chain. And then we're going to set the chain and the cam timing. And then we're going to tighten the VVT to 55 foot-pounds.